Hello, update on the chicks. So I finally got them into this last night, and I had to force them into there after sunset, and I kind of blocked them in, and then about an hour later I came back out and removed the blocks so that they can come out when they wanted to. But once they were settled in, they're just new to them. So you see the red looking chick in the corner? That's hen was the Rhode Island Red, and the black, the dark ones that you see, the hens were black Australopes, and they all had Easter egg roosters. And the two white ones, right there, you see in the center, are Silkie. That one is all Silkie, and that one on the ground in the grass is 75% Silkie. His daddy was that one, and one of the white Silkie mommies. So, can't really start my breeding program yet to make a silky hen that lays colored eggs. That's my goal. So, anyway, just coming out here, trying to get them trained to the water cups. Some chickens don't know to use it, so I just kind of prime it by moving that little yellow thing, and it fills up so that they know that water's there. Something about her, she was hatched last year, but her beak seems to go to the right side. See, she looks crooked. But they're both doing really good as co-parenting. They don't fight over the chicks. They're just sharing them. They're so darn cute. And that little chick that's sitting on the top there looks like it's got some sort of head feather thing going on. That'll be interesting. But these little colored, light colored ones, they're definitely all Easter egger. Both parents. Huh. Yeah, that is cute. Yeah, her beak is definitely to the right side. That's weird. I've never noticed that before, but I hadn't really looked at her closely. She's the smallest chick that I have, adult chick. So yeah, there's something about her face. It's lopsided. But she's turned out to be a good mom. They both sat on clutches of eggs for 4 weeks. None of them hatched, so that rooster needs to go because he's not breeding. But he's a good rooster. I don't really want to put him in freezer camp. I thought I'd just sit out here and check on them. They're so darn cute. Chirp, 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 chirp. This is their first day on the ground. They've been in the little nesting thing. So this is double the space because it was in a 2-foot by 4-foot area that they were in. And this is what it looked like. And they'll soon outgrow this, but I wanted to get them on the ground. It was starting to get that ammonia smell in there, and I didn't want to put more hay or sawdust or wood chips in there. I wanted them on grass and out here in the sunshine. So, and this is the thing about having, instead of having a heat lamp or some sort of heat source for the chicks to use if they don't have a mama to go under, this is so much easier. What do y'all think? 17 little baby chicks. Be a blessing and be blessed.